What's up everybody, my name's Patrick and today I'm going to show you the best way to use FTP on Mac. Now the FTP methods I'm going to show you today are all done through Commander 1. Now if you stick around until the end of the video, I'm going to be including a coupon code for 20% off your purchase of Commander 1. Now there are free but inconvenient ways to use FTP on a Mac. For example, I could do this for free by connecting to a server through Finder, but that will allow me to only open the server with read-only permissions and won't actually allow me to transfer files like I need to. There are other software solutions besides Commander 1, the two main ones being Transmit and Forklift. But I found Transmit too expensive for its limited capabilities, and Forklift doesn't even sync your settings, which means every single time you want to reconnect to a server, you've got to go back and re-enter your information over and over again. And frankly, that's just a waste of time. That's where Commander 1 comes into play. It's got a super simple interface, syncs your settings, and it just takes the headache out of FTP on a Mac. Now let's jump into it. So to get started, you'll open Connections Manager in the upper toolbar of Commander 1. Select FTP connection and fill in your server credentials. Again, a huge benefit of Commander 1 is that all of this information is saved for next time. Press the Connect button and your FTP connection will appear among the available drives. You can open it in either panel to work with your remote files. In the same way, you can add SFTP and FTPS accounts. Now simply fill out your server login information like you did before. After clicking Connect, we're now connected to two separate servers and can interact between the two of them. You can edit files directly on the server with built-in or custom text editors, and even move files between the remote servers without copying them to the local computer. In Application Preferences, you can select which custom editor you want to use for your files. And it's as simple as that. In just a matter of a few clicks, I was able to quickly connect to two separate servers and transfer files between them without any unnecessary steps. I hope this was able to clearly highlight some of the best functions of Commander 1. Now, as promised, here is the discount code on screen right now. You can use this discount code to take 20% off your purchase of Commander 1. At that price point, there's really no reason you shouldn't go out and get it for yourself. With such a low upfront cost, the investment pays for itself in just a couple of uses. Saves you countless headaches, wasted money on other software that's not going to give you the same functionality, and most importantly, just saves your time. So remember, the best FTP solution for Mac is Commander 1. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this. Make sure you click the bell to get all the notifications whenever we post new content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.